So I'm happy to be here, everyone. Welcome to this video. So this video I'm going to show you how to resize a paragraph or how to resize some parts of the text. So you see right here I have a paragraph and it has two parts. So you see it says welcome to my first paragraph. That's the first sentence. And then it has I am the best paragraph. So now let's say that we want to resize a paragraph. So it's easy to do that. All you have to do is you have to give it the class and equals to two quotations, and you can name it anything you want. So I'm going to name it my paragraph. All right, so my paragraph. So that's what I'm going to name it. And now inside of the head, I'm going to use the style tag because I'm going to be using my CSS here. So inside of the style tag, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that specific paragraph. So I'm going to type in dot, all right, and then I'm going to type in the name, the name of the paragraph that I have given it. So you see, it says my paragraph, so I'll have to type in my paragraph, and then I'm going to open two curly braces. So now let's say that we want to change the font size, so we can say increase it. So to do that, I'm going to say font dash size, not size, size, colon, so font dash size colon, and then you say, for example, 23 pixels. So I'm going to type in 23 px. So this means 23 pixels. And as I do that, you'll notice that my paragraph will become bigger because I have increased the font size. The default font size, I believe, is 16 pixels. So 16 pixels, you see I have given it here. But if I don't apply it, you see it doesn't, you will not even feel the change. So you have to add something that is more than 16 pixels. So I'm going to say about 27 pixels. All right. So now this is how you basically change the font size or increase the font size of the whole paragraph. How about if you were asked that you wanted to only increase the word paragraph? So let's say that we were asked that we were asked to only change the paragraph, all right? So or increase the font size of that word only. So it's really easy to do that. All you have to do is you have to enclose that word inside of this tag, which is called span. So span, all right? And I'm going to say, you see where it says welcome to my paragraph. So I'll have to place the paragraph inside of that. So I have enclosed my paragraph inside of that span element, and I can select that span element just by typing it span, and then I'm going to open two curly braces, and I'm going to say font dash size colon 23 pixels. So you'll notice now we have only selected that word. All right, so we have selected only this word, and we have increased the size of that specific word. So if you were to only select two or three words, you basically place them inside of the span element. So let's say that where it says best here, let's say we can place that one in the span also. So span now best. But now you see we have selected two of them, but you see now our selector is general. So now what if you are asked to change the color of this one to red, but this one to green? So this is where you have to use class names. So we'll give this one, for example, the class, I'll name it red, and I'm going to give this one the class green. All right, so we have given them each of them a class name, and we can select them one by one. So you see we have classified them basically. So now Let's select the green one. So I'm going to type in dot green, and then I'm going to open two color braces. And now I'm going to say color colon green. All right. So you see only that word has become green. And now for the red one, you see for the red, it's right here. So I'm going to type in dot red. Of course, you can name it anything you want to. You can classify them. You can add the name, for example, instead of saying red, you might say my red color or something like that. It's up to you how you want to define your classes. So dot red, and let's change this one to red. So you see we have selected those specific words and we have given them each a different color based on their class names. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have not understood some parts of my video, you can always pause the video and rewatch it. And I hope this helps. So I'll see you all later, everyone. Thanks for watching as always.